Well, g'day curd nerds. Tonight we're having a raclette party. Now the raclette party is, we've got a little, it's called a Partyclette, which is made by Bosca, not sponsored by the company, that's just the brand we bought. And the fantastic thing is it's got these little trays, and it's powered by tea lights, so tea light candles to keep everything warm. Anyway, we've got a friend coming over, as well as Kim and Ben, and we're going to have a lovely little time. We're going to show you what the raclette looks like and tastes like, and how we use the Partyclette to make our dinner. Anyway, we're going to have some cornichons and have our potatoes in the bowls and all that sort of thing. Anyway, when everybody gets here, we'll start the video. Alrighty, we're back. This is David, as you remember from the what the video was a long time ago. Yeah, a video when you were with me dad. And we got the wine poured, ready to go. And we're going to light up our thing. But before we do that, so we've got the cheese, we've got some, this is raclette that I made. It turned out okay. It's a little bit white in the centre, and you'll see that in a close-up in a sec. But we're ready to go with that, so I've got half of that. We're not going to use the traditional thing where you have the burner over the top. I think that's a recent invention. Back in the old days, what they used to do is hold half a cheese up to a fire, and then just scrape it off from there. I've also got a piece of fontina, so that'll be interesting. It's a nice cheese as well. The raclette, I've tasted it, it's a little bit mellow, very light. The fontina actually has a stronger taste, so anyway, each to its own, and we'll see how that goes along, and we'll scrape in and we'll just get on with the party and be done with it. Now, some essential ingredients. We got some bacon bits, which are raw, they'll cook in the thing. We've got some cooked chicken. We've also got some red onion to fry up and some mushrooms as well.
And the wine.
Oh, and the wine, yes, David and the wine. I didn't mean David. I mentioned David, didn't I?
You did.
Anyway, so let's light up this beast. You can talk amongst yourselves. There are other guests here too.
We're all hiding.
They're very quiet.
I like that.
The big camera shot.
What's that?
I'm going to like that because it's not electric.
Yeah.
And you can take it anywhere.
Each little tray is 2 candle power. It sticks in there. There we go. Don't touch the end. Righto, so I'll slice a bit of cheese and throw it in there, shall we? What? Oh, those two.
No, isn't the cheese supposed to go on do last? Cook the other stuff first.
Oh, well, you got 2 trays, so you can cook cheese in one and bits in the other, I would think. Oh, that's cooking fast.
Already started bubbling.
Yeah. Need more cheese than that. There we go.
How long did that take to actually make that?
Which? The cheese?
Cheese, yeah.
4 months it took.
Okay.
So, yeah. It's supposed to be a
Gavin
special
and I went
cheese.
to the mould festival and there was a guy cooking it there on one of the proper melting things.
Yeah.
The queue went for ages, didn't it, Gavin?
Oh, it was incredible.
But eventually our number got called up. We only had 1 bowl to share, but oh gosh, you put it onto a baked potato with some little cucumbers, and we bought some, what are they called, those little cucumbers?
Which aren't here actually.
I'll go and grab them.
Yeah.
And it just tasted beautiful.
Get in there. Yeah, 1 for Kimmy.
I like where the 2 dogs are sitting here.
Oh, they think they're getting some.
Not getting any more.
No, true.
Right, so also we've got baked potatoes too, haven't we? That we've cooked those in the oven.
More for you, Ben.
Oh, thanks.
That's alright. Bit more for you, David.
And so if you want to grab some bacon and put some bacon on nearest you.
So how long do you think that'll take to melt now?
Not long, it's melting pretty fast now, mate.
Okay.
It's only a few minutes.
So that's the soft cheese, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see how easy it slices.
I would have put the bacon first.
Oh, look, just get the bacon. Mate, the cheese has taken ages.
Just so quickly.
Right,
Right, Go on then, Ben. Put some bacon on yours.
Sure.
Yeah. You can cook it. I'll give you a little cooker thing in a minute.
I just
Want
want
some
cheese.
bacon?
I just want cheese with it.
Oh, only cheese for you?
Yep. So you got it in there as well, haven't you?
Yeah, no, I haven't got it in there, but there's some there. Do you want some?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just
In
make
your
it,
tray?
do a little pan of onions too at the end there.
Yes,
We
boss.
can share the onions.
Just a little bit. That's it. See,
Oh, you want some onion and bacon?
Yeah, that'd be great for me. Yeah, since it's
Oh, it's all happening here, Ben. You want some onion?
No, thank you.
That's not good with.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, there you go. You're all in control of your own destiny. One
Thank
for
you.
you, one for you,
just keep moving it around.
one for you.
You can divide.
I'm not doing yours.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that. She's melting.
I think I need more cheese.
I think we will. There's not much in there, is it? I think we need to fill
Well,
this
Yeah,
up.
I
put
think
some,
about
put
that.
some more in there.
I will. That's cool.
Oh, that's really impressive how quickly that's, I suppose, 2 candles.
Yeah, 2 candle power.
Pretty good for a camping trip.
Yeah, it'd be good for camping.
Yeah, well, I've got it down on the list to take away with us when we go away.
Where's the next trick, Kim?
If she doesn't want the stalkers to know. Right. Get more cheese for you, Mark. Until you getting the spuds, are you, hon? Right. Oh, they're melting so well.
And it smells so
It does, doesn't it? Hopefully it just slips out. Is it good?
It is great.
Right.
That's nice.
Come on, bacon, cook. No, we didn't have the Hardy Frodo 1000 behind us.
Holly, you're not getting a drop.
No, nothing for you. Might need to flip that over, Dave. Bit crusty on top. Oh, good. Come on, Ted. Another one. Oh, that's all melting. Let's have a look. Let's do a close-up caption action. Or Ben stirring. I'm not looking at you, Ben. There we go. We're recording now. Yeah, go on. Get your stick in there. And then the cheese. Oh yeah. And Kim's got the spuds. Can we get a headshot with your spuds? Oh, lovely. Look at that. Best spuds ever. Ah!
That is so corny.
And
What are
rude.
you talking about?
Alrighty. Let's get some of these spuds now.
Ben, pass your bowl.
I've got cheesy bits all over this one, please. How much is done here, mate?
Oh, it's
Extra cheesy bits. I don't know where my bowl is.
There you go, Ben.
Alright. Ta.
How's that cooking? Is the bacon cooking fast, Ben?
Oh, it's cooking. It's melt. It's rendering. Probably not as fast as the cheese melts, but
Well, that's why I would have started cooking that first. And then
Oh,
afterwards.
okay, boss.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
doesn't matter. It's cooked.
I'm not eating raw bacon.
You're not getting raw bacon. Perfect. Just sizzly little cheese pile there. Oh yeah, look at that, hun.
Mm. Oh, pork chops.
Yeah, little pickles and Ben's special butter. Ben's made some paprika butter out of the stick of butter that I made. Not the whole lot, he's only used quarter, haven't you, mate?
Yeah.
So that should be good. Everybody's got a fork here somewhere. Look at yours. So the basic idea is open up your spud like that and put your bits on top, put your cheese on and then eat some. Nice, good work.
I'm holding it into the camera.
Sure.
It's focused for over here, hun. Alrighty. So this is Ben's paprika butter. It's spoon sticking in it, but it looks very nice. There you go, Ben. Do you want some of that, Dave?
I'll get a little bit
Bit
of
of smoky paprika butter.
Okay.
And of course, you got the cornichons, so we'll need some of those on our potato. And some little pickles.
No.
No pickles for you, Ben?
No, thank you.
No pickles? And Kimmy, you can have some pickles too. And there's the rest of the butter. Did you want this butter or the other butter?
No.
For your spud.
Cheers. You're getting jealous there, Holly.
Some of this butter too. Grab a slice. Nice. Well, that cheese is nearly done.
How's the bacon and onions?
I think well, the onions are going to be a bit raw because they would have taken like half an hour. But the bacon's browning, honey.
Anyone else for butter?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Yeah, it's popping down there.
That was good.
The what, huh?
Your wine.
Yeah, where is your wine?
I'll stick it in there.
Oh, no.
Can you just,
Oh, that's the
quite
same
all
one.
that.
What's he done? Oh yeah, that's the one. I think they're ready.
Well, I think David put the you definitely David put his cheese over his.
Oh, his onions, they look good. Maybe put a bit of butter in with your onion. Want a bit of butter? Where'd that go?
No, very good. It's over here.
I'm going to say, put some butter in there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll fry that up.
That's right, it will cook a bit. Then you can put some paprika butter into the bacon.
Sure.
It will actually cook it.
There you go, look at that. Nice. Not a lot of cheese, but should we put
That's
more in there?
right.
Put more cheese in?
All the merrier, I suppose.
Yeah.
Head me up to a table.
Alright.
Oh, it's alright. It's the dogs.
Come on. Kimmy?
Yeah.
Dogs, stop it.
I really love that raclette thing. I think that's great.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
I'm ready.
Right, are we ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready if everybody's ready.
Yeah.
Right, so bits first. Got me pickles in there. Oh, not using them. I'll scrape all the stuff off. Right, there we go. Bacon over the top, nice.
That's nice.
Oh yeah,
Look at that.
look at
Oh,
that. Straight in and all the extra fatty stuff. I think that is going straight to the pool room. How's that taste?
so far so good.
Yes, I got me little pickles and me stuff in there, and David's already woofing into his, but I'm gonna. It's lovely. It looks lovely. And the bacon and the cheese, and let's just have a bit. Oh, melted. That raclette is amazing, isn't it? And that cheese. Oh, it's like a little pickle, isn't it? Mmm. Best party ever. What?
You.
It's good. This part will be gone in 10 minutes. I hope you got some more. Well, we'll keep going with our party. You've seen how the Raclette Party works, and the cheese, which Kim will bring back in the shop here without dropping on the dog's head. So raclette, absolutely beautiful, nice soft texture, and perfect for melting on the cheese. I think this cheese has turned out to be very good. What do you think, David?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Nice cheese.
Nice and
And we'll
creamy.
try the Fontina later, but we've already done a video on that. Anyway, we'll get on with the party. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and we'll see you next time.
So, yeah.
See ya. Bye. You can wave to Ben. Bye.